Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you 6 hidden features that you may not have known on the FireStick remote. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It always helps and all the cool kids are doing it. Anyways, what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you hidden features of the remote that you may not have known and that you might need in the future. So let's get to it. And number one. Okay, number one is someday you may get locked up in a screen that you're going to need to do a restart. You can do a restart within the FireStick 4K, but if you can't get in there to do it, this is what you're going to need to know. What I want you to do is press the select button and the play button at the same time, and you hold. It'll restart your FireStick and get you going again. That's a good one to remember. A lot of you may know this, but a lot of you may not. Hold the home button for about 3 seconds. And it takes you right to the menu screen right here. It's always nice. It's just a shortcut to your library, your apps library, or it's a shortcut to your menu screen, so you can go to the app, sleep, put it in sleep mode. Number 3, sometimes the FireStick may get stuck on you. What you want to do here is you want to do a factory reset on it, and you can't get to it from the FireStick itself on screen. So you need to do it with your remote. So okay, what you want to do is you want to hold the right navigation circle and you want to hold the back button. So if you push those both together and you hold on to them, it takes a few seconds, maybe about 10 seconds, and then it'll go to reset the factory defaults. Well, we don't want to do this. We're going to cancel that. And that'll set that. Okay, this one's a little more difficult to do. This one, you want to select the back, the reverse, the right nav, and the select at the same time. So holding it like that and doing that, and that cycles through the display resolutions. Not one you're going to need that often, but okay, this one you may need, and it's kind of good to know how to do this, is resetting your remote. It's sometimes you're going to need to reset that remote or, pair a new one. So let's do that. What you do, first you want to unplug your FireStick. You don't want that power on when you do this. So once it's unplugged and there's no power to it, you won't disrupt it. You're going to want to do the back menu left navigation circle. So let's go ahead and click on that, and what you want to do is you want to hold this for about 15 seconds. And there's 15. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and restart your FireStick. Once the FireStick is loaded up again and you want to pair that device with it, you're going to want to hit the home button right here, and hold that for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see the blinking light. You put it into pair mode. But I hope you enjoyed that. Those are some hidden features on your remote that you may need down the road, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, give me a thumbs down, but let me know why you give me a thumbs down. That way I can improve, and it helps the community improve. So please subscribe, thumbs up, share the video. I appreciate the ones that have shared the video. I appreciate all of my subscribers, and I do appreciate the ones that have bought me beers. or coffees. You choose. But yeah, if you do see that at the end, those are the people that have actually went to my link in the description, and you choose the amount. I'm not asking you for anything special. All it does is help me keep this channel going. Buys equipment. It helps me show you new things and so forth. So if you want to, that'd be great. I'd appreciate it very much. So until next time, keep watching, guys. I'll see ya. bye.